Good morning. Today's screencast will discuss how to submit an assignment to the proper Dropbox. First thing you want to do is get to the assignment Dropbox list. You want to ensure that you click on the right link to take you to which assignment is due. Now, if you notice here, a quick tutorial, you have the name of the assignment and when it is due, so that way there is no confusion as to what is due and when. So you simply click the link. You scroll down a bit to where it says add file. You want to add a file. Now you can add it from your computer if you saved it to a local hard drive on your laptop or PC, or your Google Drive where you should be using your My Tools to Go account and uploading from Google Drive, whether it's a Google Doc, a sheet, a spreadsheet, etc. You can search in Google Drive, but most likely it'll show you the last modified document as the first option. So you're going to select the file, you're going to press add. That does not complete the process, however. You are then going to press submit. When you press submit, you will receive a receipt that says that you have successfully completed the process of submitting an assignment. So again, you want to go to add a file, select the proper file, and then press submit. Final thing is to check to see if you received an email from the internal service saying that you have a receipt of the assignment being submitted. Hope this helps.